Question 11. Consider a triangle JFN, JNQ, NQP, and NPV represented below, where JF is 42. This length is 42. F to N is 26. N to V is 80. This length is 80. To the nearest hundredth of a degree, what is the measure of angle NJQ? We're after this angle. Figure out this length. I'm going to call this length little f. I call this little j, this little n, and that little f. Use my cosine law to say that f squared is equal to j squared plus n squared minus jn times cosine of f, which is 26 squared plus 42 squared. Take away 26 times 42 times the cosine of 95 degrees, which gives us f squared is equal to 2630.3481. Take the square root of both sides, giving us 51.2869. This is a right angled triangle down here. NPV is a right angled triangle. I'm after this, which is the opposite side. We know the hypotenuse. That's sine. Sine of our angle is opposite over hypotenuse. The angle is 20. Sine of 20 is the opposite, which is NP, over the hypotenuse, which is 80. Cross multiply the 80, and then 80 times sine of 20 is 27.3616. I'm going to use my sine law to figure out Q to N. This is angle Q, so this is my side Q, this is my angle P, and this QN will be side P. Sine of 72 over 27.3616 is equal to the sine of 67 over side P. Cross multiply, I'm going to multiply the 27 points, the 3616 times the sine of 67. I'm going to switch the sine of 72 and the P. That gives me P is equal to 27.3616 times sine of 67 degrees divided by the sine of 72, which is 26.4826. I now have enough information to figure out my angle because this is a right angle triangle. I have the opposite side, it's opposite the angle, and we have the hypotenuse, so this is the adjacent. We know the opposite and the adjacent. We can figure out the tangent. Tangent of our angle is opposite over adjacent. I'm going to call this angle J. The tan of J is opposite, 26.4826, divided by the adjacent, 51.2869. Divide that gives us 0.5164. Take the inverse tan of both sides. J is equal to the inverse tan of 0.5164, which gives us 27.3 degrees. And that's it for question 11. Have a good day.